Okay, I gotta fall back. That's all you, Jeff.
I don't think I swallowed anyone.
You're fucking. Oh man.
Oh,
Yeah,
my God.
Jitters! Did you kill yourself for no reason?
I threw myself for no reason. No.
Oh my god. Okay, Jitters, don't go too far. You're alone. You're alone.
Doing so ass.
Fucking idiot fridge. Yeah, yeah, dude. That's what he looks like, Mr.
That is
Fantastic.
absolutely what he looks like.
He always does that. He always gets too far in. He starts taking lots of damage, and I'm telling him, "Hey, Jitters, you back up." And he does the fridge, like as I'm saying that, so he can't leave. So he just looks like a big idiot fridge. Very good.
I'm a no heals kind of rocket. Okay, Jared.
Womp
Womp womp.
Oh yeah.
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
Eat my butthole.
Spit, yeah. Iron Fist is like fuck. Oh,
Yeah,
Jitters.
you went in for that.
Oh.
Oh, Jitters, you're solo ulting the other Fantastic is nuts.
Let's get
Oh, I
this
know, she's been
bitch.
trying.
Yeah, what a
Good
dumbass.
Nice.
Classic Mr. Fantastic. Just doing dumb stuff, not thinking.
So funny because it like contributes to the toxicity, but like in real life, Jitters isn't even like
Like,
that.
we know, yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
what the fuck?
Fucking idiot fridge.